If you want to analyze stocks like a serious investor without jumping between 10 different websites, then Market Screener might be one of the most powerful research tools you can use in 2026 because it brings stock screening, financial data, analyst estimates, and global market news all into one place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Market Screener as an investor, what features actually matter, and whether this platform is worth using in 2026. So first, Market Screener is basically a financial research website where you can search for any company, ETF, or market index and instantly access detailed financial data, charts, analyst estimates, and real-time news updates. When you open the platform, you'll quickly notice it feels more like a professional trading dashboard than a simple investing app because it is built for people who want deeper analysis. The easiest way to start is by typing a company name or ticker into the search bar, and once you open a stock page, you will see everything from revenue and profit margins to valuation ratios, analyst price targets, and recent market news all in one view. One of the most powerful features on Market Screener is the stock screener because it allows you to filter thousands of companies using hundreds of criteria like growth, dividends, valuation, and technical indicators, which makes it much easier to discover new investment opportunities. Another useful feature is the analyst consensus section because it shows buy, hold, and sell ratings along with average price targets, giving you a quick overview of market expectations. The platform also includes watch lists, comparison tools, earnings calendars, portfolio tracking, and global market coverage, which helps investors stay updated across different regions and sectors. According to many user reviews online, investors like how much structured data is available because it saves time and helps them make faster decisions without needing to collect information from multiple sources. Some semi-professional investors also say the screener is one of the best parts of the platform because it helps them find hidden investment ideas quickly. But there are definitely some downsides too. Many users mention that the interface can feel crowded and overwhelming at first, especially for beginners who are not familiar with financial data. Other reviews also point out that some features are locked behind a subscription, which can make the free version feel limited. There are also mixed opinions about the design, because while the platform is very powerful, it is not always as simple or beginner-friendly as other investing apps. Personally, I think Market Screener is best used as a serious research tool rather than a simple beginner app. If you are new to investing, it might feel a bit complex, but if you are willing to learn, it gives you a very strong advantage in analyzing stocks and comparing companies. Overall, it is one of the most complete stock research platforms in 2026, especially for investors who care about fundamentals and want deep analysis in one place. If you want to try Market Screener yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you understand how to use it as an investor, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite investing tool in 2026.